Heavy heat loss in industrial furnaces? Insulating bricks helps reduce energy waste. Designed for thermal insulation performance. Low thermal conductivity saves furnace energy. Lightweight design reduces furnace load. Excellent stability during long-term operation. Resists thermal shock and wear challenges. Helps protect furnace lining systems. Used in kilns, furnaces, and heating equipment. Supports efficient operation in industrial production. Lightweight Mullite bricks solve insulation problems. For demanding industrial furnace applications,